I've done to keep the side skirt up with just some tape, just to like mock it up. And yes, there is probably a better way to, you know, keep it up, but my shoe was the best, so I did it that way. Don't care. Alright, so we got the first one on. Now we're working on the second one. So with two people is a lot easier. He just held it up, I screwed it in, now it's being held by itself. Now we're gonna move on to this side and we should be done. So yeah, side skirts are done. Honestly, the fitment on it's amazing. Look at that, edge to edge, super flush. Looks absolutely amazing, and it was so simple. Just straight tape, all the screws line up, put them in, you're done. And honestly, alright. That's nice, bro. Alright, so it is the next day because it started raining, and it's still raining. But yeah, this is how the side skirts look. Look freaking awesome. Some different angles. So I'm gonna have a link in the description of where I got these, so you guys can get them. And they honestly add so much character to the car. Looks so good. 100% recommend. Super easy install. And yeah, the next video I'm gonna be installing the fourth brake light, or whatever, rain light, with the side spats, so stay tuned for that. That'll come out probably next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.